Hello everyone, welcome back to Next Scientist class. In this video we are going to write a program that takes a string from the user and separates alphabet, digit and special characters in the string. So let's start step by step. First step, taking input from user. So let's start. Here we are using input function. This line takes a string input from the user. For example, like this. Here we are using the input function. This line takes a string input from the user. For example, like this type of input, the input is stored in variable n. So second step, creating empty variables. Here we create 3 empty strings. Alphabets, it stores letters, and second digits, and third one is special characters. So it stores numbers and special character to store special characters. Right now all are empty. Here is we can see. So step 3. So step 3, this for loop reads the input characters by characters. Example, if input A1 if input A at the rate 1, then first ch equals to A and A, second ch equals to 1 and third ch equals to at the rate. So how this is work? Here is alpha checks whether the characters is a letters. If it is a letters, we add it to alphabets. Example, if we input A, then it store in alphabets. So here is digit. Checks whether the character is a number 0 to 9. If yes, we add it to digits. For example, if we input 5, it stores in digits. Now else, if the character is not a letter and not a digit, then it must be a special character like @ hashtag, dollar, percentage. So we store in special character. Now in step 5, here is we can see enter number, alphabet, digit, special characters. So now input some here is we can see I input some digits, character or alphabets. Now let's enter. So alphabet, those are alphabet, those are digits, and those are special character. That's it for today's video. If you understand this program, please like the video, subscribe to Next Gen Teach class, comment if you want more Python programs. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.